Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Julia Wylie. My name's Julia and this is Lucy. Today we're going to be doing a restorative yoga for beginners. This is a yoga for self-care, to release anxiety and to help you relax. Now you might like to use a bolster if you have one, or else just grab yourself a couple of cushions from your sofa and it'll just help you in certain of the poses to support the body and help you to relax. We're going to start off sitting down. So bring your bolster or your cushions onto your lap and we're going to just relax into a forward fold. So let your head rest down on the cushion or bolsters and your arms just down by your side, or you can hold around the bolster or cushions if that feels better. Just relax totally into the pose. And then very gently ease yourself up from this. We're going to do some head rolls. So drop your chin to your chest and let the head roll gently around, very slowly, keeping the breathing nice and deep and long. Don't go too far back with your head, but just to where it feels like a lovely stretch. And then roll the head the other way. Head back up now. Bring your left hand to the top of the head and let the weight of your arm gently carry the head over to the left so you get a lovely stretch down the right side of the neck. Keep the breathing still nice and deep and long. And then we'll do the other side. So the left hand on the top of the head. You don't need to pull hard, just let the weight of your arm provide a natural traction. Lovely gentle stretch. And release. Bring your right hand on the outside of your left knee, other hand behind, sit up with a nice straight spine and then press into a very gentle twist, looking behind you, growing taller on every inhale, seeing if you can press a little further on each exhale. Again, just taking it to where it feels really nice. And then release and we'll do the other side. So your left hand on your right knee, other hand behind you on the floor. Sit up tall, lengthening the spine. And on your next exhale, press gently around to twist on the other side. Just wringing out the spine. And the breath stays deep and long. And slowly release from that. Now if you have a wall, or in my case a big sturdy piece of furniture, come up to it, bringing your hips as close as you can to that wall or furniture. Lie yourself down and take the legs up. This is a very relaxing pose. Now you might like to take the bolster, perhaps one cushion or two, up to you. Lift the hips up, put your cushion or bolster underneath the hips, and the legs up the wall. Let your arms just relax. You might like to have the palms facing the ceiling. And breathe into this lovely restorative yoga pose. We're reversing the flow of blood. We usually stand up most of the day or sit, and the blood flow is coming from our head down. So this reverses it and is very relaxing. try taking your legs out like a letter V, just to wherever feels comfortable, and relax here. Just focus on your breathing, feeling the breath flow in and out of the nostrils. Ease your legs together very gently. Now bend your knees, bringing your feet onto the wall, and push until your hips lift up off the floor. Bring one leg over the top of the other and slowly ease your hips down again onto the cushion or onto the bolster. And you should feel a great stretch down the, in my case it's my right hip. You can even press this knee, the bent knee, closest to you, just gently out to the side. And release, and we'll swap legs. So push the hips up first, bring the opposite leg across the thigh, and slowly ease the hips down. Make yourself comfortable, and you can close your eyes in all these poses if it helps you to relax. Feeling the breath flowing in and out. Feel how the breath is a little cooler on your nostrils on the inhale and slightly warmed on the exhale. Gently press into the wall, lifting the hips. Release your leg and lower your hips down again onto your cushion or bolster. Now let your knees both go out to the side, soles of the feet come together as much as they can, and slide down the wall. So you're into a sort of an inverted cobbler's pose, like, or butterfly pose. Normally we'd be sitting with our feet on the floor. This time the floor and the cushion or bolster support our back. You can bring your hands gently onto the knees to press them out to the sides. Your knees come together and slowly ease yourself away from the wall. Now we're going to come down onto our backs. Lie down. You might like perhaps one cushion underneath your head for support. Have your knees bent, and then just let the knees flop over towards one side. If this is too much, you can always bring another cushion underneath the knees as well to support them. And relax here. And bring the knees up and let them flop over to the other side. Again, you have the option, if you like, to bring a cushion underneath the knees for support, so that you can totally relax and let go. Now we're going to go into our final pose, and you have a choice. Either stay on your back and come into a Shavasana pose, bring one cushion or the bolster underneath your knees, Adjust your back so you're very comfortable. Palms facing the ceiling. Close your eyes here. Take a few deep breaths and relax. Or if you prefer, you can come over into a supported child's pose. So for this pose, you come onto hands and knees, have your bolster or cushions out nice and long in front of you, and bring yourself forward to relax. Just melt down. You can have your hands by your sides or holding the bolster or the cushions, or even up behind your head if that feels better for you.